Hi, this is Jonathan Ginsberg, and I want to answer a question that a client asked me the other day in a pre-hearing conference that I thought actually was a very good question, and that is, in my client's case, he'd worked a number of off-the-books jobs. He was basically paid cash. He was doing some, I think, some work in old apartment buildings, tearing stuff out, and carpet, and just some demolition type of work, and he was being paid cash. And he did this for probably 8, 9, 10 months, so it didn't show up on his earnings record. He had enough earnings to qualify for SSDI, but off and over the past several years, he's done this cash work. And his concern is that he didn't obviously pay taxes on this money. Now he's going into Social Security, the hearing office, which is part of the federal government. Can he expect the IRS to have somebody there waiting to take him away in handcuffs after the hearing? And the answer is no. I mean, Social Security judges are not in the business of reporting you to the IRS for not paying taxes. There's no sharing of information between Social Security and the IRS or the state. So basically what you tell the judge stays with the judge. So I think that if you've worked and you've worked off the books and you've been paid cash, but it's important for the judge to know that, to fill in the gaps as to your employment record, then I think you need to tell them. Obviously you want to talk to your attorney about that ahead of time to make sure there's no unusual judge who does something differently. But my experience has been over the past 20 years or so that judges are not in the business of reporting people to the IRS or the state for not paying their taxes. So full disclosure about your past work is very important. Any questions, talk to your lawyer, but don't just deny that you did any work, because again, gaps in the record are not going to help you. Judges look at that and they wonder what was going on. They may think you were incarcerated, any number of things. So it's much better to address the gaps and to explain what's going on truthfully with a Social Security judge than to ignore it and hope it doesn't come up. I hope this has been helpful. Again, Jonathan Ginsberg here. Until next time, I'll talk to you soon.